Yeah.
But if it's poor quality mohair, each of those bristles, it would look like chalk. It would be they would be very pronounced. This boy is really good, and you can always also see it on the ears. So it's a
So you can keep them as a pet?
yes.
Oh, okay.
They make
So they are all still lambs then? Oh, yeah.
I went to the AMP show.
Yeah, that's all.
And the one day I had another buck. I was standing
Oh, oh, okay. You're okay?
Is brutal.
Only in white, or are there other colors as well?
Other colors.
Mhm.
So there's some breeders that focus on the so that one over there, that has quite very many teeth. So that's just
Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm scared of them though.
yeah, you can. I just
Look at them all coming in a line.
Yeah, the last FOMO is going. You might as well too.
Yeah, yeah.
So are they already pregnant?
Yes, yeah, the mum's to be in one. Well,
Oh, okay.
this one is Leslie's mom.
Okay.
But they will go.
Did anyone?
Oh, wow. So yeah, wow, that is gorgeous.
Oh, for fleece? Yeah. This one. I love it.
Some swimwear and
Anybody wants that?